Hello, my friends. Welcome to my story. I am a taxi driver, and today I will tell you about my daily routine. In this video, you can listen to me, repeat after me, and practice English. Listening every day is the best way to learn English. So, let's start my day together. I leave my apartment in the morning when the streets are still quiet. The city has not yet become noisy with traffic, but I know very soon it will be crowded. I carry my small bag with a bottle of water, my wallet, and my phone. I walk down the stairs and I feel the cool air outside. It feels good to breathe fresh air before I start driving for many hours. I walk to the parking area where my yellow taxi is waiting. I check the car carefully before I start the engine. Safety is very important for me. I look at the tires, I check the mirrors, and I clean the front glass so I can see the road clearly. Then I sit in the driver's seat, adjust my seatbelt, and turn on the car. The sound of the engine makes me feel ready for the long day ahead. My first job is usually in the morning rush hour. Many people need a taxi to go to work, to school, or to the train station. I drive slowly through the main streets, looking for passengers. Soon, a man waves his hand and gets into my car. He says he is late for work, so I try to drive quickly but safely. The traffic is heavy, but I stay calm. I know the small streets, the shortcuts, and the best ways to avoid traffic jams. The passenger is happy when I drop him at his office on time. He thanks me and gives me a good tip. That makes me smile. After the first passenger, more people wave at me. A young woman with a laptop bag, a student carrying books, and even an old lady going to the hospital. Each passenger has a story, and I sometimes talk with them. Some people like to chat, while others prefer silence. I respect both. When they talk, I listen carefully. I hear about their families, their jobs, their problems, and their dreams. Driving a taxi is not only about taking people from one place to another. It is also about listening and understanding life from different people. Around mid-morning, I feel hungry. I usually stop at a small cafe where many drivers go. I order a cup of coffee and a sandwich. I sit with other taxi drivers and we talk about the traffic, the fuel prices, and the funny stories from our passengers. These short breaks are important because they give me energy to continue driving for many more hours. After my break, I return to the busy streets. Sometimes I drive to the airport. I enjoy airport trips because they are usually longer, and passengers often have interesting stories. One time, I drove a family who was traveling for the first time outside the country. They were so excited and asked me many questions about the airport. Another time, I drove a businessman who was very quiet and only looked at his phone the whole time. Every ride is different. During the afternoon, the city becomes even busier. The sun is hot, and the traffic lights seem to take forever. I keep my air conditioner on and drink water often to stay cool. Some passengers complain about the heat or about being late, but I always stay patient. A calm driver makes passengers feel safe. Sometimes I take tourists around the city. They ask me about famous places, restaurants, and markets. I enjoy telling them about the history of the city, the best food to eat, and the streets to walk in the evening. I feel proud when I can be a small guide for visitors. By late afternoon, I usually feel tired. My back hurts from sitting for so many hours. So I park my taxi in a quiet street for a short rest. I close my eyes, listen to some music, and relax. After 15 minutes, I feel better and ready to drive again. Evening time is another busy period. People leave their offices. Children leave schools, and the streets become full. Many passengers are tired after work, so they do not talk much. They just sit quietly in the back seat, watching the city lights pass by. I also like this time of day because the sun is setting, and the sky becomes orange and pink. It feels peaceful even when the traffic is heavy. At night, I sometimes take people to restaurants, parties, or shopping malls. These rides are usually fun because passengers are happy and excited. Some play music on their phones, some laugh and tell jokes, and some even ask me to recommend good places to eat. Driving at night has its challenges, but it also has its beauty. The streets are full of colorful lights, and the city feels alive in a different way. Finally, after many hours of driving, I decide it is time to go home. I look at the meter, and I feel satisfied with the money I made today. I park my taxi in its place, turn off the engine, and take my things. I lock the car and walk back to my apartment. When I arrive home, I feel both tired and happy. Tired because driving all day is not easy. Happy because I met many people, helped them reach their destinations, and learned new things from their stories. I prepare a simple dinner, sit on my sofa, and relax. Before I sleep, I think about the day. Some rides were easy. Some were difficult. Some passengers were kind. Some were not. But every day brings new experiences. And that is what makes this job special. Being a taxi driver teaches me patience, responsibility, and respect for others. It is not always easy, but it is a job that connects me with people and with the city. Tomorrow, I will wake up and do it all again. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed my daily routine. Remember, practice your English every day. Listen, repeat, and learn step by step. See you next time, my friends.